my maternity pillow mat. And this. It's this. See this already. This is my. I like it.
You like?
I like. It's good.
You like?
I
You want?
like.
You want?
I want.
This is it.
So this is
Same up to you.
okay.
On this, same up to you.
Okay.
You like?
I like. Pregnant. For pregnant.
No, not pregnant, but pregnant also good.
Yes, I like. Oh, and have foam like a bra.
You want?
What size?
L.
LL. Because I'm pregnant. LL.
No, it's okay.
Huh?
It's okay.
But check LL. More big. I want more big. LL. Check LL.
No, LL.
If no LL.
This.
LL? LL, how you know?
Like,
Okay. Same. Okay. That is mine.
you want?
I want. Basket.
What is it?
So this is mine. Oh, I like it. And have foam, like have a bra. This one. Have that. So all in one. It's good. Kawaii. What else?
You good?
Mura, 300 lang. 300 yen, it means like mga nasa 90 pesos. Mura lang yung mga damit. Pajama again? Short, you buy me short?
No, you is it?
Slipper.
Slipper.
You check again, Photon. Huh? Not next time. Slipper. Kawaii. Good. I like that. Blue again? Okay.
Good.
Same up. I want to wear. Oh, cheap. 890. I want to wear. No, it's okay. This also good. Comfy.
Only
Onigiri. No, I guess this is okay. I like the design.
this. Cheap, more cheap.
More cheap. No, I guess it's this is more cheap.
This is
for
good.
me.
This is good. Yeah.
I want to wear. You and me also. You buy also for you. Oh, this is perfect.
Okay.
Good.
What this?
I like it. You and me, you buy for you. You buy too. You and me, couple. This is mine. This is good. So this is mine. This one is 890 yen. Tapos yung damit ko ay 1290. That's all? Okay. You buy you also. Color black. So we turn couple. That is good. You buy for you also. You and me. Bumili rin siya sa kanya. Couple. Ganda. Let's go. Mura lang dito. Si Mamura. And my bra. Hub. Let's check again. Let's check again. One more. Malaki dito. Malaki rin yung shopping mall. Ano lang siya, one store. Bilihan ng mga damit. May pambata, may pangmatanda. Mura lang. Kompleto na dito. I need to ask him if have maternity. I will ask him first. Have, of course. Of course have. Wait, I will ask him. But I have one in the house from the Philippines. I bring. Only one, but I need like this one.
No, it's okay. You have one.
Oh, kawaii. Kawaii.
You want to have?
I like. I know. And that also.
This is good. What?
490. Cheap. Okay. Okay. Here's my outfit. Buy you here. Oh, that is my 90. But still same size. Same size. Me LL. Okay na. Ganda, ang dami maganda dito. What? White? Why always white?
What? Look good.
Okay. Same okay. You and me. What about this? It's not good because I'm pregnant. This? Yes. Size 9.
Huh?
Size 9.
Okay.
Don't have 9. Let's see. No, me large. 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 M size. I guess me large.
You check. Don't have plastic.
No stock. Oh, not.
No.
Very small.
No.
I'll try. No, what? Large. Double L.
Okay.
Hindi ganda ng mga slipper. Ito lang kasya sa akin. Ito mataas masyado. Mura lang. 1,290 yan. Oh, ito. Dito kami sa Shimamura. Mura lang dito. Ang ganda ng mga sapatos. Sayang, walang kasya sa akin. Ang ganda ng mga bago. How much? 2,700. Mga nasa ano, 1K. Summer na. You buy me bra. Maternity bra. You buy me. Have. Have, of course. I ask him. Have, of course. Because this is Shimamura. Ano pa ko maternity bra? Let's see if have. Ganda rin. Maganda. Sports bra. Wait. Let's see. Yung ganda. How much? 1,900 yan. Ganda. I will ask him how. To the... I will ask him. I will ask him. Outside. Hindi yung outside. Ay, got him. You wait for me. Dito kami bumili. Ang pangalan ng store na to ay Shimamura. Ito. Dito rin ako bumili ng outfit ko before. Ito. Maternity dress. Mura lang dito. Ito yung mga price oh. Ito yung mga display. May mga pambata rin. Ito second floor. Sa second floor, makakabili yan ng mga clothes din, underwear. Ay, I guess have here. Maternity. Ang ganda ng mga bago. Ito yung mga bag sa Japan. Pero mahal to eh. I check. Oh, 10,000 yan. Maganda. Ito yung mga bag dito sa Japan. Mahal niya. Practice school. Summer outfit. Ha? Expensive this kind of the bag. Bra. Let's see. Nag-check kami ng bra. Maternity. I guess have here. Have here? I will ask him. Of course. Wait, I will ask him. Maternity bra. Sale din dito. I guess have. I will ask him. Oh, meron daw dito maternity bra. Sunod na kami dun sa ano. Sa pinagtanungan dyan sa babae. There. Okay, arigato gozaimasu. Oh, maternity bra, have here. Nagtanong ako. So, this is have maternity bra. Oh, baby and mama. This shop is baby and mama. Ito daw, dito. This maternity bra. So, this is maternity bra. Wala sila yung pinapakita ko na may butas sa bra. Pero this is maternity kasi ito yung baby and mama section. How much? Huh? I guess this comfy. Ready. So you know what I like. I guess this is okay also. How much? Cheap. 1.8. Because like this. It is okay outside also.
This is not bra.
Huh? It's not bra? And baby yun, ano, baby milk protection. May mga ganito na pala sila. Lotion. Actually kompleto. Tapos may diaper. Tapos ito yung bag. Bag siya. Ganda. Ito. Ito yung belt bag. Ito. Sa harap sa likod. Next time you buy like this this one cheap. May mga baby soap ko sila. Kompleto na rito. Tapos ayan. Ang cute. Ang cute dito. Baby section. Oh, tapos ayun may stroller. Ito kainan. Ang baby. Ito yung bag ko. Ay, ang mura niya. Ay, hindi mahal. 29. Ay, ito yung katulad. Ayan, sa kotse. Car seat. Ito nga. 24,000. May 23. May 9,000. This. And we use City Hall money. Give. Ay, this is so cheap. 11,000. But I like that one. But little expensive. 24. But Mickey Mouse. Right? Okay, next time. It's still early. For the baby, if we travel to Tokyo, to Saitama. And riding Shinkansen. Shinkansen or car.